Okay. So, um, one of my friends walked in and said they need a screen protector put on this phone. So, here's a quick video on how you can do it. It's not hard at all. Basically, with these new screen protector kits, and the one that she got just happened to be this Super Shields one. And with these kits, they come with these stickers right here, glue stickers. And basically, before you put the stickers or even utilize the stickers, you want to clean the screen with the included alcohol pad. So you clean it real good, make sure there's no debris on there at all. Once you do that, you use this little cloth and then wipe it down again to make sure that it's no debris or anything on there. With the first sticker, you take it and you put it on the back and leave some off. With the second sticker,
Hello. Good morning, sir.
good morning, sir. Do the same thing. Can you hold this for me?
Oh, what?
Alright, with the second sticker, you put it on the back of there also. Okay? And then you just take the phone, lay it back down. Next, you get the screen protector. And oh, this is dope. Screen protector. It's a privacy screen protector. And you put it face down. Please peel this off before mass application. So you take it and you line it up on there. And just want to make sure it's in the correct position.
Johnson on leave.
Once you get it in the correct position, don't move it. Press the little button on the side, make sure it's all lined up right. Make sure no areas are showing.
Take my tablet.
And you just check it by pressing the light button on the side or the power button on the side. Just like that. Then you take this sticker and you bring it around nice and tight. And press it down. Just like that. Turn this on, check it again.
I used to save days ago.
And you take this sticker, bring it around nice and tight again.
What the fuck?
Hey.
Wow.
Press it straight down.
It's not. It ain't no
Okay.
input from good.
Then you check it.
Oh, my feet, my stuff look like old women like it.
Okay, that looks good. Then next, take one more sticker and you put it on this
Niggas
side.
like you holding no baby. What y'all been doing?
Okay. The reason for this sticker is so that you can pull it back open.
What y'all got on Friday?
Okay. Then next, you get this right here, and this is your little dust absorber. And any dust that may have been on there, you wanna pull it off with this. And you just go over the whole phone.
It's more than like 40 minutes. And then from here, it's like 50 minutes. Everything from here, like 50 minutes.
And then just take a look at it. And all the dust should come off. Okay. After that, you grab this sticker.
He wants he wants 37.
Pull it off.
Oh, you said 10. What you keep?
Okay, you should be able to use this one to hold it down.
Yep, I'll put a sticker on it in the envelope.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna get rolling here.
You just take that and you can toss that in the trash. And with the same one, since you pulled it nice and
I'll
tight
shoot you
already,
an example of.
And that's another thing.
grab it,
They said when you get out there, you know, you have to
see the motion strap? Yeah.
and you just pull it
You sure? Yeah. Okay.
I was like, well, what? They-
straight over.
Because we working on small boats.
So I had someone here at AT and they went through it and organized for us.
And they're ready to go?
They're ready to go. EDSS.
Unproper.
I think that's like one.
Oh shit, one more big thing for him.
Jump off the
I
dive.
sent this flight request on the 18th of December.
And just like that,
20, you know, you don't have her back from.
it's on there.
Yeah. Bless you.
Yeah. I also sent them another.
Now at this point,
Yeah. And then Willie came, I told him, I was like,
you look at it, and you see there's no air bubbles on there. These stickers, you can now pull these off because you don't need them.
Okay, let me see. Pretty sure I did. Yeah, no, I
Don't laugh at my
I put you on
ass.
there when I called Sato.
Give me the
You already know the struggle is
And then
real.
put you in the email for
It's
Nat
like
PTO.
8:30 in the morning.
Okay. I put it all on the sticky.
Well, if you look at it, there's no air bubbles. You just take this little joint right here.
I already sent him, I think I sent him his unofficial itinerary just so he knows what's up.
Yeah, I got a YouTube channel. And if there are any air bubbles, like this one right there, you just work it out. Just like that. At the top, there's one up there on the side. And that's because
So, I already have the sticker.
Where you going with camera?
I already, sorry, I already.
during the packaging, this glass may have been at a curved position and may not have been sitting flat. So until it gets used to
How far is
this
that?
regular flat position,
What we do is we make a copy.
After the hanging
One on each.
and or the heat from your pocket, and it starts to conform to the screen, it'll do that.
I'll give you a folder with the contact information. Who knows?
Nah, I went on
Well,
here
like, you
and
know,
drive.
Yeah, I know that. I know this.
That's right. That's right.
Contact list.
Never mind.
And there you go.
The orders and flight.